What's up everybody, Generalized Gaming here, and I'm going to show you how to grind money like a pro. Because I was struggling to advance in this game. Like, I could not get the QN I needed. But, there is a way to grind faster. You see this slime rush thing? The first one and either one will work, but as you can see, there are 3 difficulties. Of course, I have 2. You must be at World 8. For this one, you must be at World 4 plus. Anyway, I will show you the true power of this method. You can also hit these things for money, but that is more of an overnight grinding method. Because, you know, you're not getting much out of that, you know what I mean? You don't get much. It starts out slow, but it does ramp up. As you can see, I'm able to slaughter these things easily. I gotta get myself some more agility and a little more attack. Anyway. Incredibly easy. Oh yeah, there. Then you can go into the shop thing and get stuff. And as you can see, I got to 9 million already. See how fast that went? Anyway, this will continue. I don't know if there's a max or anything, but I don't think there is. As you can see, it's the best way to grind money. Now I can teleport out of here.